Students, today we will study the EVS subject. So all of you open your page number 45, chapter number 6, My Body. Our body is made up of many parts, many body parts called organs. Each organ has a special function. Now, can you see here the boy is there, his name is Sahil. Now see the body parts: hair, eye, teeth, neck, chest, stomach, knee, forehead, ear, nose, lip, shoulder, arm, hand, fingers, thumb, leg, ankle and foot. So these are all the body parts of Sahil. Now each and every body part, they have the special function. Function means they are having their own special work to do. Identify what Sahil will not be able to do in each of the given pictures. Now look here. The first picture, he will not be able to. What will come here? He will not be able to see. So write here see. Second picture, he will not be able to hear. He will not be able to smell. So write here smell. And last is he will not be able to speak. So write here speak. So now turn your page. Now our first topic in this chapter is parts of our body. As we already saw. Now let us look here the parts of our body. This is brain, ear, nose, neck, heart, lungs, stomach and hand. Our body is made up of many parts. Some parts can be seen by us and are called the external organs. Now children, what is the meaning of the external organs? The part of a body which we can see by our eyes, it is known as the external organs. Now which are the external organs? Nose, ears, neck, hand and legs are some of our external organs because we can see them. So they are called the external organs. Some body parts are inside our body and cannot be seen by us. They are called the internal organs. Now children, there are many parts of the body which cannot be seen by our eyes. For example, heart, because it is inside our body. Lungs, brain and stomach are some of internal organs. Now our next topic is sense organs. Parts of the body that help us feel the world around us are called the sense organs. Children, you already learned in the previous class that what is sense organs. So here again we are going to learn about the sense organs. Now children, you all know that we have the 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. They help us to see, hear, smell, taste and touch. With the help of eyes you can see, with the help of ears you can hear or listen, with the help of nose you can smell, with the help of tongue you can taste, and with the help of skin you can feel the things around you. You can feel it. Now our eyes help us to see the different thing. We have 2 eyes. How many eyes? 2. Our ears help us to hear the sound. The sound may be loud or soft, high or low, and pleasant or unpleasant. Our nose helps us to smell the things. Some things have a sweet smell while some have the bad smell. We also breathe with the help of our nose. So nose is very important for us. Our mouth has a tongue. Our tongue helps us to taste the things. There are 4 main tastes that our tongue can feel. Now which are they? Sweet, salty, bitter and sour. So these are the 4 tastes that our tongue can taste. Things can be cold, hot, rough, smooth, hard, soft or sharp. The skin helps us to touch and feel them. So the skin helps us to feel the things around us, and we can come to know whether the things are cold, hot, rough, smooth, hard, soft or sharp. Our body is covered with a layer of skin. You can see, children, that you have the skin. The skin protects our body parts. Now our next topic is internal organs. There are many organs inside our body too. Since we cannot see them from outside, they are known as the internal organs. Can you tell me the internal organs? I taught you just now only. Brain, heart, stomach and lungs are some of our internal organs. Now let us see about them in detail. So first one is brain. The brain controls our body. It helps us to think, learn and remember things. It also helps us to do the various activities. So these are the things, children, done by the brain. Now let us learn about the heart. If you place your hand on your chest, you will feel something beating. Beating means you can hear some sound or movement sometimes. It is the heart. It pumps the blood to all the parts of our body. The food that we eat goes inside a bag-like organ called the stomach. The stomach helps us to digest the food. We have 2 lungs. They help us to breathe. So lungs is very important. We must take care of our body and always keep it healthy and fit. Our values: we should help and be kind to people who cannot see, hear or speak. They need our care.